Hi and welcome to p5.js tutorial. This is my very first p5.js tutorial using the following lines of codes and the functions. Let me close this and there, look at that. See, that is like a waste of time. However, it's still part of learning. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to delete all of these functions. Let's get rid of it. Delete. Come here, let's save. So all I'm going to do now is just to use a for loop. Now I've set my background to black. My canvas remained the same, 1350 by 600. So let's say we have function and their canvas, and we enter in there. I'm going to assume there's no stroke, right? Make that nothing, and right inside the function draw, the background is set to black, as you can see. So let me go for using for loop for variable y is going to represent the height equals 0, and y is less than and equals to the height of my monitor. Okay, then let's say y plus no, let's say y plus equals 40, and enter a curly braces there. So I'm going to now embed another for loop right inside this y for loop and change that variable to x, and the height I'll change that to the width. There we go. Right, now all I need to do is let's come down here and say fill. Let's make the fill to be 255 by maybe 130. Enter your semicolon there. Now let's draw something. Eclipse. I would like you to draw x-axis, comma, y-axis, and make the size, let's say 40 by 40. Enter a semicolon there, and let's close that. If I compile and run this now, in the first place, let's save it and let's try to run it. So let's click on run right there and look at what's going to happen now. Look at that. Compare that to the previous lines of codes. So that's what you get using a for loop. So with that, I'll call it the end of this brief tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoy it. Bye, and you have a nice day now.